know what to say to the camera. I don't know what to say to you guys. A lot of you have been asking, where you at, Tony? What's going on? And the truth of the matter is, it's just life. I got a new job, and it's a great job. I love it, but I'm away from home all the time, and I haven't really been dedicated to fishing. And that's just the honest truth. It sucks, but it is what it is. So yeah, a lot of irons in the fire. And my wife and I are starting a new window treatment company along with my job and her bakery and all the other jobs that we do. We're just a couple of hustlers trying to make it, you know what I'm saying? We're starting a blind business. We're here to get a specific certification, and they put us in this really cool hotel. A lot of things going on, but anyway, just a new job basically, and it's keeping me really busy. I still want to make more videos for you guys. Nothing's guaranteed, but hopefully I'll get some more out for you. And I hope you enjoy this video because I'll be filming out on Lake Fairfield. This is the second trail event this year for the Southeast Texas Trail, but they're also having a second tournament out there with the North Texas Trail. So it's not really a second tournament. They're going to be running both tournaments at the same time. So I'll be fishing 2 tournaments simultaneously on Lake Fairfield in 2 days. So I'm going to be filming it. Yay. Hopefully I do well. I got to practice a little bit. Don't really know if I had a winning stringer in practice or not. We'll see. But the weather's been crazy. It's been hot and cold. But anyway, I'm glad to be back, guys. It's super awesome. It feels kind of awkward to be in front of the camera. I don't know why. But I have one GoPro with me. And I'm going to try to make it happen and try to make this business trip into a fun fishing adventure as well. My wife and I are going to be, my wife and I are going to be camping for 2 days at Fairfield. Sorry, I'm just babbling all over the place. We'll be camping out there. It's supposed to be nice weather for the weekend, warming up. I'm really hoping the fishing is going to be good, but either way, this is an awesome opportunity for me and my wife to finally get away again and enjoy each other's time. Since I'm working all the time now in Pasadena, I'm rarely home. And I don't want to talk too much about what's going on in my life. I can do a separate video for that if you guys are interested, but y'all want to see the fishing, and I don't blame you. So yeah, just a lot of new things going on, and that's about it. So we got some stuff to do. We're about to go to eat dinner, and then we got some training tomorrow morning, which is Friday, and then we'll be setting up camp Friday afternoon and waking up at the butt crack of dawn Saturday to get launched first and get to my spot so I can hopefully put myself in a position to do well in this tournament. So anyway, new season, guys, 2020. A lot of tournaments coming up. I hope I can get them filmed for you. Thank you for your support. Thanks for hanging on if you're still watching after, 9 months of no activity whatsoever besides a few posts on Instagram and Facebook. So it's just life. I wish I could be one of those YouTubers that was balling and, that's what I do, but I ain't. I got a family and I got plans for the future and got to get money to do it. So anyway, you guys stay tuned. Guys, it's the night before the tournament. I'm looking forward to it. We got camp set up. It's gonna be a nice night. Got a full moon behind me. Don't know what that's gonna do to the bite, but did speak with some people that pre-fished today and said it was pretty tough. So we'll see what happens. But man, check out this view. It's gonna be a good time in the morning. I'm gonna get up probably around 4 o'clock. It's gonna be pretty chilly. Got to bundle up, get to my spot hopefully before anybody else, and hope for 5 fish pretty quick. 5 big fish pretty quick. We're about to cook up some food. I got to rig up some rods, and it's off to bed for me. So see you guys in the morning. Let's see if we can get a check. Come on.
Check, yeah. Well,
is it for you?
Yeah.
Put it in my face. What's up, man? Hey, it's cold. That's all I got to say. It's cold.
Real cold.
The fish are asleep.
Asleep.
And I pray we just get out there and we blow them up. They got to wake up at some point, right?
That's right.
So let's get it on.
Let's get it on. Yeah. Did you find it rough?
No, I didn't find it, man. I got somebody's not helping me, Tony.
I'm sorry.
Probably at the end of the board. I'm not even paying attention. Yeah, it's right there.
What's up, man?
Just blinding.
Yeah, I'm blinded.
That's part of my strategy, man.
You have night vision.
I can't see.
So that's the tournament, guys. A lot of tough fishing for a lot of people. Back at camp now, I'm just gonna relax, think about all the things I did wrong. But I'm still happy. My spot in the morning wasn't active and the fish were not shallow, or maybe they were and they just weren't biting. I don't know. Either way, my starting spot didn't work out the way I wanted it to, so kind of had to improvise and cover a lot of water, and was fortunate enough to get a limit. A lot of limits weren't caught. A lot of people struggled to get a bite, so a limit goes a long way on a day like today. So I ended up 11th, I believe 11th in the North Texas Trail and 9th in the Southeast Texas. I'm not 100% sure on that yet, but he hasn't released the standings yet. But anyway, I'm proud of a top 10 finish and close to a top 10 finish out of 77 anglers in the North Texas and almost 50 in Southeast Texas. So it was a lot of fun. I'm really tired, but I can't complain. It was a good time, just tough fishing, but I learned something from it, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a video after all this time. Feels good to be filming and catching fish. So you guys stay tuned for more, and congrats to all the winners out there today. You guys nailed it. Guillermo, good seeing you. Great job as always. And Jeff Isham's been on a tear here lately, just tournament win after tournament win. So congrats to you and all the other top finishers. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Come on.